Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to host a Zoom meeting from start to finish. Whether you're organizing an online class, a business meeting, or just a friendly chat. This guide will help you handle everything smoothly. Make sure to watch till the end. And please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device. If you don't have it installed yet, go to zoom.us/download and download the Zoom Workplace app. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in using your Zoom account. You can sign in with your email, Google, or Facebook. After logging in, you'll be on the Zoom home screen where you'll see options like New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Since we're hosting a meeting, click on New Meeting. As soon as you do that, Zoom will launch a new meeting session. Depending on your settings, your camera and microphone might turn on automatically. You'll now see yourself in the meeting window, and congratulations! You're the host now. That your meeting is active, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you control everything. You can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and open the participants section to see who's joined your meeting. You can also manage participants, mute them if needed, or remove anyone if necessary. If you want to share your screen, click on Share Screen and choose what you'd like to show, whether it's a document, a presentation, or your entire screen. There's also a chat option where you and your participants can send messages, and a record button if you'd like to save the meeting. Zoom will record and save it either to your computer or the cloud, depending on your settings. If you want to invite others to join, click on the Participants option and then select Invite. You can copy the meeting link, send it by email, or share it directly through any messaging app. If you don't want to start the meeting right away, you can schedule it in advance by clicking on Schedule from the home screen. Add your meeting topic, date and time, and Zoom will generate a meeting link that you can share. You can even set a password for extra security. As the host, you also have access to advanced options like locking the meeting after everyone is joined, muting participants on entry, or assigning a co-host to help manage things if you're busy presenting. When your meeting is over, click End Meeting in the bottom right corner and choose End Meeting for all to close it completely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to host a Zoom meeting, manage your participants, share your screen, and end the session properly. Hosting a meeting on Zoom is easy once you know how everything works. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful and easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.